Hey Austin, how you doing, buddy? Here is the video that we was talking about earlier. Again, my name is Leo Arona from Arona Marketing. I wanted to shoot over this quick video showing you some tips and tricks on things you can do in-house to help bring in more business using your website and your Google business profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video and hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. I actually got a group of peers on a Facebook group for our digital marketing. I've actually got a question out in there on what your options are on how to take down that other Google business profile, because it's definitely hindering you, man, and he's definitely getting some of your reviews in there. You know, like you said earlier, these reviews should be on here and they would help you out more. You know, you're down on number 13. So definitely need to figure something out here. As soon as I get an answer, I will let you know how we can get that taken down and what to do. So what I want to do here is just kind of go over this website. This is actually the free Google website that Google My Business gives you. It used to be Google My Business. It's Google Business Profile now. I'm just going to go over it real quick. I love this this damn logo here is badass, man. You need to get you a website up, man, and display that everywhere. That's an awesome one. I've seen a lot of fence companies. It's one of the coolest logos I've seen. So definitely stick to that. But when you have your website, you definitely want to have ways for people to contact you up top, like you got here. This day and age, a lot of people are kind of sketchy or timid or shy. They don't like talking on the phone. So there needs to be like a way to email convert up here or have a form submit at the top. You also need to have 1,500 to 2,000 words of command content on your website, your website's homepage. And throughout that content, you want to have buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches and where they're located, what services you offer. Another good thing to do, like I was telling you about earlier, is the way you save these images. This should be fence install, Louisville, Kentucky, new fence, Louisville, Kentucky, fence company, Louisville, Kentucky, fence repair, Louisville, Kentucky. Some kind of buyer intent keyword that you put in behind these photos that will help you rank, because photos and videos count as content as well. And what happens is 24/7 Google bots go through these websites, and they're constantly combing through all the content, photos, everything, finding things to give you points for. So if each one of these photos had keywords behind them, you get a point or a ping for each one of those. And eventually, the more pings and points that you get, the further you move up. Now, what I've done is put you in one of my tools I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics where you're setting with Google. And again, this is your Google business profile website, so there's no numbers here. This is your number one competitor, just to kind of show you what it's supposed to look like. This is your strength and your trust that your website has with Google. These are your backlinks, and these are your referring domains. And a backlink, if you're unfamiliar, is a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some are more spammy, some are more authoritative. So you definitely want to go after the backlink that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. So these guys are being ranked for 255 organic keywords, and they're getting 322 people to their website each month. You know, even if you've got 10% of that, you know, that's 30 new clients a month that's coming to you looking for work. Now, just an example of buyer intent keywords is the service and the city. So the service is fence company. You know, if people searching fence company, Louisville, Kentucky, they're looking for someone to come put a fence in. This phrase right here, this is something that you could put behind your photo. Fence company, Louisville, Kentucky, is getting 350 searches a month. So once you get to the first page and you get in that top spot, you're going to get 10 to 37% of this. So fence companies, Louisville, Kentucky, gets 500 searches a month. Fencing company, Louisville, Kentucky, there's almost 2,000 searches right here just for fence company keywords that you can have on your website and on your Google business profile. Now, what I did was actually typed in Louisville Fence Companies. You're 13, and the other one I think is 17. But as you know, here is the Google Business Profile. These are the map listings right here for the map pack. Top 3 is where you want to be. You're not there right now, and that's fine because there's ways to get there. You want to start by constantly adding reviews, and I know you've been having a headache with the reviews, but again, with your website, content is king. With your Google Business Profile, reviews are king. So make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the same exact all across the internet. That's the only thing that worries me about having that other number on your other Fuqua Fence. That is one thing that bothers me, is because it kind of confuses Google to have the same exact business name but different phone numbers. So you definitely want to get you some more citations. There's a 750 character About Us section. Trying to find that for you. I had it pulled up a while ago, but you definitely need to make sure that that's filled out, because you need to have keywords inside that as well. And what happens is, when you're posting branded, geotags, geolocated photos weekly, that really helps you rank organically. So add in those citations, and again, is your business name, address, and phone number. You need to add that in directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, things like that. Because, again, Google's like a big popularity contest. So the more, by giving out your information to as many directories as possible, is going to make Google start to trust you more, boost your business. And that's not only for your area, but it trickles out to the surrounding areas as well. And again, being in that Google Map Pack is going to give you 30 to 40% of the traffic that goes to your website and gives you a call from there. Now, if we go down here, this is your organic section. This is where you want to be as well, because this is where 60 to 70% of your business is going to come from. And this is your number one competitor right here, Metro Fence Industries. And as you can see, they don't have any content on their website either. So by implementing having more content on your site than theirs, you can start to outrank them while adding those backlinks and such too. Now, just for an example of keywords, again, these are some more keywords I pulled up for you. That way you can have put these in your About Us, put them on your photos. Fence Company, Louisville, Kentucky. Fencing, Louisville, Kentucky. Louisville Fence, Kentucky. 350, 250, 250, 250. And the KD is keyword difficulty. This is out of 100. So the lower these are, the easier they are to rank. The higher, the longer it takes for them to rank. A 10 KD is not bad at all. 2 or 3 months, and you'll start ranking for these keywords. Each keyword you can rank for. So the more keywords you have, the more firepower you put behind those keywords, the more they're going to rank and be shot to the top. So as you can see, Austin, there's a decent amount of volume here. Once you start ranking, a percentage that total goes to your website, and then that percentage, a certain percentage that's going to give you a call, and then depending on your close rate, turn those into a customer. So Austin, I hope this video was helpful for you. Again, I'd love to hear some feedback and your thoughts. Really appreciate your time. Thanks for talking to me today. I enjoyed our conversation. I hate that you have the pain that you have with this Google Business Profile, but I promise you I will reach back out to you and let you know a solution or anything that we can do to try to knock that other one off there for you. If you had any questions, comments, concerns, again, just reach out to me and I could be a resource for you if need be. If you need anything else, website, directions, anything, just get in touch with me, buddy. I'll help you out. Have a great day, Austin.